Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best home saunas on Amazon. Home saunas are personal relaxation sanctuaries that offer soothing heat therapy and wellness benefits within the comfort of one's own living space. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Durasage Home Sauna. The Durasage lightweight portable personal steam sauna spa is the perfect option for anyone looking for an easy way to relax at home. Its lightweight and detachable frame makes it easy to disassemble and store, making it an excellent choice for those without much extra space. With its powerful 800-watt steam generator, you can set the timer for anywhere from 1 to 60 minutes, allowing you to customize your spa experience to whatever suits you best. For added convenience, the Durasage Personal Spa has 2 zippered openings, so you can keep your hands free to read a book or use a device while enjoying your sauna session. What we like about it: easy to fit into small spaces. Has a front pocket for your items. Available in several colors. More affordable than standard home saunas. What we don't like about it: maybe too small for some users. Number 2. Serene Life Home Sauna. The Serene Life Home Sauna is easy to set up and use and provides an unbeatable combination of detoxification and relaxation. It features an easy access sit-in design and convenient hand access zippers so you can stay plugged in while you soak. The collapsible design makes it incredibly mobile with a compact assembled size that conveniently folds away for portability. Its energy-efficient design makes this steam sauna a great choice. It runs off of 1600-watt high-power heating elements and can reach a max temp of 122 degrees Fahrenheit in no time, making it highly power efficient. It also comes with a wired controller for auto heat setting for convenience. What we like about it: fully adjustable temperature and steam output. Easy to use and set up. Remote control is included for easy operation. Can fold down when you're not using it. What we don't like about it: may not be as durable as more expensive options. Number 3. Ops Decor Home Sauna. The Ops Decor Home Sauna is a revolutionary product for those looking to enjoy the benefits of spa treatment in the comfort of their home. It can be set up in just 1 minute, making it highly convenient and time efficient. And it has everything you need to get your sauna session going, including a foldable comfortable chair, a 2-liter steam pot, and a remote control. It works hard to relieve joint pain by increasing circulation and reducing stress. Plus, you can relax even more thanks to its unique design allows you to read books, listen to music, or even watch movies as you sit inside. With the handy handheld control, users have 6 different timer options, such as power and temperature adjustments, to get the most out of their sauna session. What we like about it: easy to assemble and simple to operate. Portable design. Heats up in just 7 to 10 minutes. Available in 2 sizes and several colors. What we don't like about it: may not last as long as other saunas. Number 4. Sunaki Home Sauna. The Sunaki Home Sauna is an innovative product that can help promote personal health and relaxation. With a rapid heating time of 10 minutes, a remote control and portable chair, and all certification passed, this tent will surely provide you with an immersive sauna experience. The heat in the tent comes from a powerful 800-watt steam generator, providing ample heating for up to 90 minutes. This sauna's insulation and waterproofing will ensure that heat doesn't escape while it's in use. The foldable sauna tent is also perfect for those who need portability and convenience. Assembling it requires no tools, and you can quickly fold it down for storage or travel. What we like about it: reaches temperatures quickly. Comes with a remote for convenient control. Can accommodate larger bodies. Ideal for small spaces. What we don't like about it: the chair it comes with is a bit small. Number 5. Dynamic Andorra Home Sauna. The Dynamic Andorra Home Sauna provides the perfect way to enjoy a calming spa day from the comfort of your home. With its low EMF far-infrared carbon heating panels, you and someone else can relax and enjoy even comforting heat with broader coverage than you would find in a traditional sauna. This sauna's natural Canadian hemlock wood gives it a warm and sophisticated appearance that will fit perfectly with any decor. What we like about it: accommodates 2 people at a time. Compact design can fit well in many spaces. What we don't like about it: can take a while to warm up. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.